Hello, Adam Kopeć, Excel lover from Poland. Today we're gonna extract middle names from full names. But we have a small problem because not every person have full name, middle name. So how we're gonna do it with flash fill? Let's start with first name and last name because from Excel 2013 it's very easy with flash fill. We just start writing first name Hanna and second first name and flash fill working his magic and give us result. We accept this result with enter and we have first names. Analogically we are going with last name, so we are writing last name, first last name, and this time we will force flash fill to work. We are using shortcut Ctrl E and we have last name. Now the hardest part, middle name. So we in first row we have middle name, so we are writing this name, Agnes. Okay, and we don't have middle name in second row, so we are gonna force flash fill to work, Ctrl E, and flash fill work his magic, extract middle names, but there is an error because there is a middle name where there isn't really middle name. We have to correct this answer from flash fill, and we can do it until this icon is showing up. So we have to change middle name where there isn't middle name to other sign. For example, exclamation mark. So we are writing exclamation mark, enter, and we have now flash fill starts working his magic again, and now exclamation marks are with rows, in rows where there isn't middle names. And in this sign it can be almost anything. For example, this star, I can copy and paste the sign and flash fill still working with this. He won't work with spaces. So we have middle names and stars, but we don't need stars, we have to delete them. We can do it simple with Excel filters. We can turn them on data tab, filters, or using shortcut Ctrl Shift R. So okay, we are turning on filters. We want to show only this sign, extra sign. Okay, and we have now only this extra sign. We are selecting range, okay, or first sign, Ctrl Shift R down, and we select range, press delete to delete all the signs, and we can turn off filters. We can do it manually, clear filters from middle names, or we can use Ctrl Shift R to turn off filters altogether. And now we have only middle names and blank cells where there isn't any middle names. And that's how we can extract middle names with flash fill.